Identifying what kind of macroinvertebrates live in a water body helps indicate water quality. Finding and studying these tiny bugs is a hands-on exercise that educators and others who work with students may want to use to expand learning outside the classroom. Macroinvertebrates are animals without a backbone that you can see without using a microscope or magnifying glass, such as snails, mussels, crayfish, worms, and leeches. These animals live in natural waterways and in man-made water bodies such as stormwater ponds. Pollution tends to reduce the variety of organisms surviving in one place, so healthy waters usually have many different kinds of macros.
These animals are important ecologically because basically most of them are vegetarians consuming live or dead plant material, and of course in so doing they convert it into animal matter, their bodies, which then in turn is food for things that we tend to worry about more, like fish and birds and mammals. So they occupy a really central part of the aquatic ecosystem in the sense that they convert plant material to animal material, which can be food for other animals. They're also an important group of organisms because they have been used for decades to indicate the quality or the health of a freshwater ecosystem, such as a stream or a lake. The absence or presence of certain kinds indicates good water quality and/or good habitat conditions, whereas the presence of other things can indicate more polluted or degraded type conditions.
So let's get outside. This exercise takes just a few simple tools. Once you have identified the pond or waterway you will study, the first step is to gather samples from the places where macros live, which is near the shoreline and in vegetation. Next, you will want to place the contents of your dip net in a shallow pan. Carefully sift through the vegetation to determine what creatures you've caught. Put the creatures in cups with a little water for further examination. It can be fun for students to work together to discover new creatures and identify them. When you have completed your look at the world of macros, be sure to return the creatures to their home. Find additional information about macros and water quality on the district's website.